It's National Curry Chicken Day, and for a twist, we'll be cooking curried salmon instead of chicken. This is my coconut salmon curry stew. It's a light weeknight curry dish that brings the entire family together that everyone is guaranteed to love. But first, we're gonna start off with our salmon, and today we're using MOWI Salmon. These MOWI Salmon fillets come in 2-portion packs. That means it's simple enough to increase from 2 to 4 to 6 and so on. Remove it out of the package, wipe it up. Now in a large pot, we're gonna heat a little bit of oil and add onions, ginger, garlic. And now I'm going to be using some curry paste. If you go into your market, you want to find a curry paste that you absolutely like. I like ones that are a little spicier, but they do sell mild ones as well. Go ahead and add a good spoonful of curry in there. This is where the kitchen starts to really smell great. Now for that coconut milk, you can use regular coconut milk or light coconut milk, depending how much fat you want in your diet. Go ahead and pour that in. Let that come to a simmer, and then we carefully add our salmon pieces to it. Let's cut that up into cubes. We're gonna season it with a little bit of curry powder. That's gonna add some color, but also extra flavor. Now's when we get to add the salmon into the coconut milk. Now remember, we're kind of poaching the salmon in the coconut milk to add a lot more flavor, but make it extra healthy so we're not frying here. Just gently nestle it in, and let that simmer slowly for about 5 to 6 minutes until the salmon is perfectly cooked. Smells so nice. Okay, turn off the heat and let's add some spinach to this, which is gonna add plenty of color, flavor, and of course, a lot of iron. Just gently mix that together, and that's pretty much it. You're gonna be serving this with a little bit of jasmine rice next to it, and to this, we're gonna just put some yogurt on top in case it's a little bit spicy. Chopped cilantro. This is one of the easiest and healthiest weeknight meals you can make. It takes just a handful of ingredients, but more importantly, you're introducing salmon in a curried fashion to whoever's enjoying your meals.